Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
Addmotor rolls out 90-mile pedal assist folding trike for under $2. Oh, though cargo ebikes are shaping up as an eco-friendly alternative to the family car for short shopping trips. Riders looking for more stability will doubtless appreciate a third wheel. California's Addmotor has just launched a 90-mile e-trike for under $2,000.
Where the 2023 M340 e-trike employ front hub motor. The CityTri E-310 rocks a proprietary 750W motor mounted between the rear wheels that peaks at 400 watts, produces 90 Nm, 606 billion feet of torque, and includes a differential for cornering stability. This means that the Shimano gearset has been sacrificed. But 7 levels of pedal assist are available up to a top speed of 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, via speed sensor, and there's a half-twist throttle included as well.
The battery appears to be the same, though this time the 2048V unit made up of Samsung 21,700 cells is reckoned good for more than 90 miles 145 kilometers of per charge riding at the lowest assist level.
Hope you would have liked the video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.